Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete multiple follow requests at the same time on Instagram. So to do this, just open up your Instagram and go to your activity page. Your activity page is basically the little heart on the top right here. And when you click it, you get notifications here for your activity if somebody wanted to follow you or not. So all you need to do is just click follow requests. Once you've done this, usually if you have a lot, I have just one now, but you have them like in a list like here, and you have to scroll down and click delete on all of them. But simply you can cancel them all at the same time by a very simple way, and that's by just clicking this little button right here. It's not even visible that it's a button, it just says manage, but just click that and you can select all of them and then quickly just click delete from here, or you can confirm them from here as well and click delete afterwards. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good one.